Hi everybody. I just wanted to show you something real quick that I made for our family vacation. We went to Yellowstone National Park, which was amazing. And I knew that we were going to be doing a ton of picnicking. So I took two of our existing patterns, the box pleat zipper case and the personal picnic kit. And I made kind of a sort of portable, everything you need for a picnic. So this is basically the box pleat zipper case without the box pleats. It's exactly the same way that the zipper case is made, just not using the fancy box pleats with the zip on top. And I added handles. I just cut some strips and put some fusible fleece. This whole thing is made with fusible fleece and made the nice lined bag. And I made it the size that I knew would fit our little picnic plates. Now, I was gonna make a zipper case for these, but then I realized I had one of the cool Furoshikis that we have for sale in our Way Cool Stuff section. So I just took my plates, put it on the diagonal, make it diamond shape in front of you, flip those over and tie. So that saved me even sewing a zipper case for the plates. And then I did a whole bunch of our personal picnic kits. So this is a napkin basically that rolls up, and it's got our cool sustainable bamboo utensils in here. Even has chopsticks if you're doing Chinese takeout. And you can make this so that the tie at the end is attached, but I actually like doing the 2 buttonhole thing here so that you can take it off and you don't have a floppy tie thing going on if you're using it as a napkin. I also knew that on our long drive to Yellowstone, let me get all these guys out here. I knew that we would be doing some car picnicking. There are the picnic kits right there. So I also made, just the way you make the napkins in the personal picnic kit, the double-sided, I made some larger ones that we could use as placemats or towels in the car so you don't end up with your takeout food all over your favorite sweater. So I did 2 of those, one for me and one for my hubby. And then I had a little bit of fabric left over, so I did a nice little double drawstring bag using those scraps. Just sew them all together, box out the corners at the bottom, just like in the box pleat zipper case. And in there I kept our travel knife, the one we don't care if it gets dull, our salt and pepper, and any other little doodad that we wanted in there. And then we were able to put the whole thing in one big zipper bag. Actually, it's kind of small for all the stuff we crammed in it. So I usually start with the plates and then our little towels and the drawstring bag. Oh, I should show you on the drawstring. Rather than doing a single drawstring around, I really like the double drawstring thing where you open up the seam at this end and at that end, and you send one drawstring in this way and the other drawstring in that way. And that way you can just pull and it closes up really nice. It's one of my favorite little drawstring tricks. So we got the plates in there, we got the placemats, we got the little zipper, the little drawstring bag, and our personal picnic kits, and zip the whole thing up, and we've got our entire kitchen to go. We even crammed a couple of plastic cups in here, just in case we needed to pour out some water or whatever. So this is a cool idea that you can use, and just want to encourage you guys to take simple patterns like this and adapt them to whatever your needs are at the moment. This is super fun to make. I did it all in one afternoon. You can too. Happy sewing.